Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I'm going to show you how to reset iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max to factory setting. It's very easy and simple. I have a both type of iPhone 13, 13 Pro and Pro Max. Pro Max is bigger than the Pro. This is the Pro Max and I'll show you how to reset. And what it comes inside, that I wanted to show it to you. It comes with the phone, lightning cable, and this is the license and the pin. And this is iPhone 13 Pro. So I'll show you today how we're going to reset it. So let's start with Pro Max. First we're going to click on the settings. We're going to scroll up and under General we're going to scroll up at the second line where it says transfer or reset iPhone. As you have seen in the previous iPhones, it says reset iPhone, but in this one it says transfer or reset iPhone. So we're going to click on that and it will give you two options: reset and erase all content and setting. You can reset your iPhone if the phone is corrupted or any application. You can reset it and it will work for you. But if you want to bring to the original factory setting, you want to erase everything, please make sure if you have photos or any data which need to be saved, please back up before resetting it. And also very important, if you have an iCloud password, please take it out before resetting it. So now we're going to press erase all content and settings. We're going to say continue and it says erase iPhone. And as you press the erase iPhone, it will start erasing it. So as you can see, it went through the cycle and now it's the erasing process is started. That's it. So it's all done and we are on a hello screen. For the video purposes, I'm going to skip through and as you can see, it's so easy to reset your iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max. It's the same procedure. If you have iPhone 13 Pro, you can do it the same way. As for video purposes, I'm going to skip through. So that's how it's easy and simple. You can reset your iPhone 13 Pro Max. The same procedure will work for your iPhone 13 Pro. So if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.